nabanggit, mukhang meron ng planadong failure of elections. Paano kung hindi sapat yung balota na na-imprenta para yung 52 million na botante supposedly ay makaboto? Sa kasalukuyan, overly delayed na po ang printing ng ballots. They only started printing February 7. This was almost a 1-month delay dun sa original na plan na January 1st week. However, based on that, dapat February 7 to April 25, 78 days po yun. 52 million ang balotang i-imprenta. That means the COMELEC through the NPO should be printing or churning out 666,000 ballots a day. We have verified information that they are not even hitting that number na since they started printing since February 7, wala daw ni about 1/10 lang ata ng balota na yung kailangan ay na-meet nila. So, ibig sabihin, sa past 10 days, napakaliit yung balotang na imprenta. Kaya po, kahit dito pa lamang, tulad na nabanggit, mukhang meron ng talagang planned failure of elections. Wherein, at the onset, maliban sa mga problema pa sa machine, yung nabanggit na communication system, yung network, yung servers, dito pa lamang nagkakaproblema na. Kaya sabi rin pa rin natin, we have to be more vigilant. We ask all the government employees, especially now, na pantayan pa kasi ngayon ginagamit yung recurso ng gobyerno para makinabang yung mga politikong tumatakbo under the administration. We have to be vigilant sapagkat alam natin na dapat maghanda tayo na kapag hindi nga nakuha ang kagustuhan ng taong bayan, sabi nga ni Sister kanina dito, dapat maghanda na tayo for civil disobedience. Wherein if the ballots have been, again, the elections has been misused, tayong taong bayan ang dapat magpasya at hindi yung halalan na marami na ng mga questionable na mga transactions, questionable na undertakings na nangyayari. So yun lang po.